Hello my dear friends, my name is Ram Singh and most welcome my YouTube channel Ram's Classes. Friends, I'm very sure you all are fine there and you all are just following the protocols of our government and you all are just staying at your homes as well. Friends, in this video I have carried a really nice topic. If you watch this video and if you listen to me attentively, that means you will come to know lots of the things from this video. Friends, first of all I would like to say thanks to you all for your giving your precious time and precious comments also. Friends, let's start today's topic. Yes, today's topic is all about listening, thinking and speaking. Yes, three things we will discuss in that. First, listening, second, thinking and third, speaking. Yes, friends. Friends, I have seen many cases in our life, means in my life, not yours. Means I have seen many cases in my life that time we don't think and we just say whatever we have and whatever the situation at that time we just say without thinking or without saying without deep thinking or without just seeing that what is the benefit of this topic is going to be happen or not. We don't care about that, but that is the thing that we don't think. Why we don't think? We should think that. So yes friends, this thing we are discussing in that. First friends, when we are speaking, that time we need to just think that how much I have thought about that. If I have thought about that, then we can easily speak. But before that thought, means before that thinking, we need to consider also that how much I have listened to a person's view, or whatever I have listened, what I have listened up to now. This thing we have to just consider that. So first friends, before saying anything, we should always give it a second thought. This is the slogan. We need to always consider that. When we are speaking or when we are saying anything to anybody, that means we have the power of demoralizing the people. We can demoralize the next person by our words. If my words are that much attentive or that much bad or that much good, that person can be affected by those words. That's why I'm just telling you that first listen attentively, second think about those words or those sentences, then speak. People, this is really thing which is really related to our study. When we are not listening attentively others, that means we are going to give wrong replies. We are going to say those words, those are not words saying that time. Friends, this is all about that video. When we speak something to the next person, that time we don't think that this word or this sentence, how much will this word affect that person. But if we have started thinking that yes, this is the power of my words or this is the power of my thoughts, whichever I'm speaking to that person. If we have started thinking like that, that means we can see the huge change in our life. Friends, this video is not that much worth seeing. That we have to just consider all the things whichever we have, and when we just speak, we need to consider also that what I am speaking, what I am saying. Before saying, have I thought that about that? Before thinking, did I listen that person carefully? These three things we have to just mention in all the part of our life. It is not the situations matter. It depends everywhere. It shows the value of yours, how you are and who you are. If we have started saying before thinking, that means we will not do the mistake. We will justify that where I have done the mistake, where I'm doing and what I am doing. This thing we will come to know when we have started speaking like that. First, listen attentively the person. What is that person saying? Second, think about that thing. Third, say, speaking. So this is the thing. But sometimes we have those situations that we don't have enough time to think that. But sometimes, not every time, Sometimes we have no this much time so that we can think deeply. And now one question is also running in your mind, that if the person is abusing me, then what should I say to that person? Or should I just come with just like that? Other people don't have the horn so that they will come to you and they will hate you, or they will say everything means blah things to you. I don't think so that person will abuse you without any intention. If we have done something wrong with that person, or if that person has done something wrong with me, that's why that person is saying something wrong to me. We have to just consider this thing also. We are the people, those have all the qualities. We have the guts for taking out the solutions of every situation. We should always learn these things, whichever I told you now. Again, I am telling those words. First, listen the person. Second, thinking about that sentence. Then, third one, that means speaking. Then say something. So I hope, friends, you have understood whatever I just told you in this video now, and I hope you all will apply in these things in your career as well. So friends, same sentence I would like to repeat. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. So friends, we will meet again with the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye. And please, friends, stay at your home and just follow the guidelines of our government. Friends, bye bye.